Hi, welcome to Marcus Videocast. In this episode, I'll take you through our research on Oman seaports. Oman is situated in the middle of east-west trade routes, ensuring easy access to markets in the Middle East, Asia, Africa and Europe. Its position on the Arabian Sea gives it ready access to major shipping routes and allows Oman to serve both as a port and as a commercial hub. Oman government is also taking various steps to diversify the economy away from oil. Hydrocarbons, which accounted for about 81% of exports in 2004, now accounts only for 71% of their exports. The government is also making efforts to ensure that private sector becomes a prime driver of economic activity. Providing physical infrastructure, which includes building ports connected to industrial free trade zones, is one primary focus area for the policymakers. There are two free trade zones in Oman near the Salalah and Sohar ports. Another industrial estate is also there around the Salalah port. Oman was early to invite private participation in its ports through joint ventures. Due to its location advantage and government initiatives, we expect Oman to emerge as a major transshipment hub in the region. There are currently 7 operating ports in Oman and each has its own port authority and operator. Container traffic at major Oman ports registered a CAGR of 6% over the last few years. Salalah, Sohar and Port Sultan Al Qabas are major ports which handle container traffic. Klahat Port and Minal Al Fahal are specialized ports used for export of LNG and oil respectively. The government of Oman along with Port of Antwerp has formed a new company to construct the Dugum port, which will handle initially 3.5 million 20-foot equivalent units after the completion of phase 1. The cargo terminal is also being constructed at Salalah port to increase the capacity by 20 million tons. The report also discusses about each port separately, giving information about past traffic, growth drivers and future projects. An overview of challenges facing the sector and statistics on Oman's trade with its major trading partners is also presented. If you are interested in reading the full report, please log on to e-marmor.com. Look forward to seeing you again. Thanks.